In this video, we're going to look at how to replace the 7 style enter key on any Apple MacBook, MacBook Air or MacBook Pro which features the scissor style clips. To replace the 7 shaped enter key, you should place your finger on the left hand side and insert your key tool on the right hand side. Working the key tool from top to bottom, just gently lifting the keycap. You'll hear it click as it detaches. You can then slide the keycap to the right like so. You may find that the stabilizer bar is attached to the bottom of the clip, or it may still be attached to the keyboard. Either way, the stabilizer bar needs removing before we reinstall. You can see that the enter key has 2 clips. Either clip can be removed by inserting the key tool underneath the pins to detach the clip from the hooks on the keyboard, like so. You can then lift the clip off. You can see here that there is 1, 2, 3, 4 hooks which keep the clip attached to the keyboard. There is also the same thing on the bottom clip here. Before reinserting the clip, it's important to make sure that it's the correct way around. You can see here that there is a small groove on the bottom middle of the clip, and that's how we know that that is the bottom side of the clip. To reinsert the clip, simply place it back in its place, making sure that the 2 hooks here and here have attached to the clip. And then you can apply a small amount of pressure to the top and to the bottom of the clip to hook it back on. You should hear and feel it click into place. Next, you should reattach the stabilizer bar. You can do so by hooking it on underneath the metal hook here and at the top here, like so. Just making sure that it sits in and it's evenly spaced, like that. When reinserting the enter key cap, you should do so by attaching the left hand side first, sliding it into place. It should sit flush with the keyboard. You can then work your finger on the right hand side from the top to the bottom, gently clicking it back into place. If you need a replacement key for your laptop, you can visit macreplacementkeys.com and use our helpful key finder form. From here you can select your device. In this case we'll put a MacBook Pro. You can then insert your model number. In this case I'll put A1708. If you're not sure where to find your model number, you can find that on the bottom of your laptop, and it will look something like this. You can then press buy replacement keys and then simply select the keycaps and clips should you need them that you need from the drop down, and then press add to basket and then check out with your preferred payment method.